Welcome to our educational video on the principles of marketing. In this series, we'll unravel the concepts that shape the world of marketing. Today, we're diving into key topics such as the marketing mix, market research, and consumer behavior. Our journey begins with understanding these fundamental principles that any marketing professional or student should know. From defining marketing and its importance to engaging with interactive questions, we're here to make marketing clear and approachable. We'll explore real-world examples and provide insights on how to apply these principles effectively. So, get ready to expand your knowledge and sharpen your skills. Let's get started on this educational journey, one principle at a time. Welcome to our exploration of marketing, a pivotal element in the world of business. But what exactly is marketing? Put simply, marketing is the process of promoting, selling, and distributing a product or service. It encompasses everything from market research to advertising, aiming to connect products with consumers. Now, why is marketing so important for businesses? Without effective marketing strategies, even the best products may not reach their target audience. Marketing not only drives sales but also builds brand awareness and customer loyalty. As we delve deeper into the principles of marketing, we'll uncover the strategies and tools that make it indispensable for success. Stay tuned as we explore the many facets of this essential business function. Why do you think marketing is important for businesses? Take a moment to think about it. Consider how marketing shapes our decisions, influences our choices, and drives businesses to success. Have you ever bought a product because of an advertisement you saw? Or perhaps, chosen one brand over another because of a positive review? Marketing isn't just about selling products, it's about connecting with people, understanding their needs, and delivering value. So, pause for a moment and reflect on your experiences. What role has marketing played in your personal buying decisions? Let's dive deeper into the key concepts and see how they come into play. Welcome to our deep dive into the marketing mix. This segment is all about understanding the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy, the 4 Ps. First, let's introduce what the marketing mix is. Simply put, it's the strategy businesses use to market their products effectively. The 4 Ps stand for product, price, place, and promotion. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in shaping the success of your marketing efforts. Let's break these down one by one. The first P is product. This refers to the goods or services that a company offers to its customers. It's essential to understand the unique features and benefits of your product, as well as how it meets the needs and desires of your target market. The quality, design, branding, and packaging of your product can greatly influence its success. Next is price. This is how much your customers will need to pay for the product. Setting the right price involves considering various factors, such as production costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value. The price needs to attract customers while ensuring that the business remains profitable. The third P is place. This involves the distribution channels through which your product reaches the customer. It's about making your product available at the right place and at the right time. This can include physical stores, online platforms, or even partnerships with other businesses. The goal is to ensure that it's convenient for your customers to purchase your product. Finally, the fourth P is promotion. This encompasses all the marketing and communication strategies you use to make your target audience aware of your product. Advertising, public relations, social media, and sales promotions are all part of this. Effective promotion creates interest and persuades customers to make a purchase. As we move forward, we'll see how these elements interact and harmonize to form a cohesive marketing strategy. Stay tuned. Now, let's take a moment to think about the marketing mix. Of the 4 Ps of product, price, place, and promotion, which do you believe is the most important? Consider how each one plays a critical role in achieving marketing success. Is it the quality of the product, the strategy behind price, the choice of place, or the power of promotion? Reflect on how these elements intertwine and contribute to a successful marketing campaign. As we move forward, think about your answer and how each P impacts the overall strategy. Welcome to the segment on market research, understanding your audience. Market research involves gathering detailed information about your target audience. It helps you understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. This information is crucial for making informed marketing decisions and tailoring your strategy to effectively reach and engage your audience. Conducting thorough market research ensures your marketing efforts are based on real data and insights. How would you go about conducting market research for a new product? Think about the methods you might use. Would you start with surveys to gather initial feedback? Maybe focus groups to dive deeper into consumer opinions? Perhaps you'd turn to data analytics, examining patterns in consumer behavior. Whatever approach you choose, it's crucial to understand your target audience to make informed decisions. Take a moment to consider, what resources would you utilize? How would you ensure the information you gather is reliable? These strategies play a vital role in developing effective marketing campaigns. Consumer behavior refers to the actions and decision-making processes of buyers. By understanding these behaviors, companies can tailor their marketing strategies to better meet customer needs. So, what exactly is consumer behavior? It's not just about what people buy, but why, when, and how they make their purchasing decisions. This knowledge is crucial for marketers, enabling them to create more effective campaigns and products that truly resonate with their audience. Why is consumer behavior so important? Well, by knowing what influences their customers, businesses can predict future buying trends, personalize their marketing efforts, and ultimately increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. This all leads to improved sales and long-term business success. But what influences consumer behavior? Several factors come into play, including psychological factors like motivation, perception, and beliefs. Then there are personal factors such as age, occupation, and lifestyle. Social influences, such as family, friends, and social media, also play a significant role. Finally, cultural factors, like traditions and values, shape consumer preferences and behaviors. Understanding these factors allows marketers to segment their markets more effectively and tailor their messages accordingly. By considering who their customers are and why they make certain choices, companies can create marketing strategies that are more aligned with consumer needs and desires. As we move forward, you'll see how these insights into consumer behavior can transform your marketing approach, leading to more targeted and successful campaigns. What factors influence your buying decisions? Think about how price, quality, and brand affect your choices. Do you tend to go for the cheapest option, or do you prioritize quality above all? Perhaps a brand's reputation plays a significant role in your decision-making process? By understanding what drives your purchasing behavior, you can gain insights into consumer behavior, a critical aspect of marketing. This reflection not only helps you as a consumer but also enables you to strategize better as a marketer. As we move forward, you'll see how these insights are applied in real-world marketing strategies. Let's delve into a real-world example of a successful marketing campaign by Company X. They strategically employed the 4 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion, to craft a powerful and effective campaign. First, let's talk about their product strategy. They introduced a unique, high-quality product that stood out in the crowded market. Their product met the specific needs and desires of their target audience, ensuring it was something consumers truly wanted. Next, they focused on price. Company X conducted thorough market research to determine the optimal price point that balanced affordability with quality perception. This pricing strategy allowed them to maximize profit while still providing value to their customers. For place, Company X ensured their product was available in the right locations. They leveraged both online and offline channels to reach their audience where they were most likely to shop. This omni-channel approach widened their reach and made purchasing their product convenient. Promotion was the final piece of their strategy. They utilized a mix of traditional advertising, social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, and content marketing. This multifaceted promotional strategy not only increased brand awareness but also engaged their audience across various platforms. The result? Company X saw a significant increase in sales and brand loyalty. Their well-rounded approach to the 4PS not only attracted new customers but also fostered lasting relationships with their existing ones. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles can be applied to different scenarios. Now, reflect on how these strategies can be adapted to your own marketing efforts. Which strategy do you think was most effective in Company X's campaign? We have discussed the various approaches and their outcomes, and now it's your turn to weigh in. Your insights are invaluable, not just for your learning, but also for sparking discussion among your peers. Vote in the poll below and share your thoughts on what made one strategy stand out over the others. Was it the creative use of the 4PS, the in-depth market research, or perhaps the targeted approach to consumer behavior? Your participation will help shape our understanding of these core concepts. So, don't hesitate, cast your vote now, and let's see which strategy reigns supreme in the eyes of our audience. As we come to the end of our journey through the core principles of marketing, let's take a moment to recap the key concepts we've covered. We've delved into the marketing mix, understanding the critical roles of product, price, place, and promotion. We've explored the importance of market research in identifying and understanding target audiences. And we've examined consumer behavior, uncovering the factors that drive purchasing decisions. Each of these principles forms the foundation of a successful marketing strategy. By mastering these concepts, you are well equipped to navigate the complex world of marketing with confidence and insight. Stay tuned for a quick interactive quiz to test your knowledge and solidify your understanding. Let's keep the momentum going. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Answer the following questions to see how much you've learned about the principles of marketing. First question: what are the four components of the marketing mix? Is it product, price, place, and promotion? Great, now let's move on. When conducting market research, what is the primary goal? Is it to gather information about your target audience and understand consumer needs better? Next, think about consumer behavior. Which factor most influences a customer's buying decision? Is it price, quality, or brand? Finally, let's consider a marketing campaign. Which of the 4PS would you prioritize for a new product launch? Product, price, place, or promotion? Fantastic job! Remember, these principles are essential tools to drive successful marketing strategies. Stay tuned, as next, we'll explore how you can apply these principles effectively in real-world scenarios. Ready? Let's dive in. As we conclude, let's reflect on what we've learned. Marketing principles aren't just theories, they are powerful tools you can apply to drive business success. Embrace the marketing mix to balance your product, price, place, and promotion strategies. Leverage market research to understand your audience's needs and behaviors. Remember, these insights are the foundation of effective marketing. By integrating these key principles into your strategies, you can make informed decisions that resonate with consumers and elevate your brand. Keep these concepts in mind as you craft your marketing plans. Apply them wisely, and your efforts will surely pay off. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the principles of marketing. If you found this content valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful and educational videos. Enhance your learning experience by exploring the additional resources we've provided in the links below. Stay ahead in your marketing career by staying informed and engaged. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you master the art and science of marketing. To continue growing your knowledge and skills, click on subscribe and dive into our comprehensive resources. Thanks again, and see you in our next video.